Morning guys, Russ here from Wilson Land and Cattle Company. Today we're moving the cows into a new field. This here's going to be another one of those moves that I really didn't want to do, but it is what it is. The cows have been in this field here approximately 7 days, 3.5 acres, and we're moving them into a 3-acre piece, which is just across the fence there. And ideally, the thing would be to just move them through that gate and into the end of the field, but I have to take them back across this field here to that end of the field. Tomorrow we're bringing them in to preg check them, and we'll be doing a video on that as well, where we take blood samples and send them into a lab and have them analyzed. If we have a veterinarian come in to do those blood tests, it costs about $8 a cow. If I send the samples in, it costs like $2.84 or something like that. It's not very expensive. So we choose to blood test our cows. It's 99.9% accurate, so that's how we do it. This is going to be challenging to move them from here clear over to there and into that field. It's 0 here this morning. Another quiet day though. We've been very fortunate here lately as we haven't had a lot of wind. I do appreciate all the new subscribers the channel has. We've gained almost 1,000 subscribers since Greg Judy had recommended our channel. And Greg, if you're watching, we appreciate it. It sure is nice to be able to stick together as regenerative ranchers or farmers. Let's go ahead and try and get these girls moved. It's going to be an interesting move. Let's get her done. Come on, girls. Come on, girls. They're going to the other corner because they want to go out that gate up there. They don't realize we're going through this gate here. Come on, girls! Come on, girls! We've got one coming here now. We should be good, hopefully. Yeah, here they come. We got them. When they get here. See, Toby's got a nice pink coat on this morning. It's cold out. Scout's got his coat on. Hi, Scout. You got your coat on, huh? Come on, girls. Come on, girls. There, we got them now. We're gonna go and check and see what's in that field for stockpile. It's not one of our better stockpiled fields, but there's grass in there. It's supposed to get up to in the 20s somewheres today, maybe close to 30 degrees, which would be great if it did. Let's check the snow depth. And for some reason, the snow's not nearly as deep in this field as what it was in this one, and I don't know for sure why. Yeah, the cows are going to be without water here for about 24 hours, which is fine because they're getting snow through their close this so the cows don't go back. I guess there's 10 inches there. Got 10 inches of snow. See the crow. We got a mob of crows that's been following the cows here. They finally figured out after so many years of winter grazing that there's a lot of mice that become available for food, so they like to follow the cows around anymore. $11 inches, and it's deeper at that end. At 10 inches there. Let's hop across here and see what's in underneath the snow here. See what we got. There's not near as much in here. This field's primarily fescue, canary grass, timothy, a little wee bit of bird's foot trefoil and clover. Let's come down here where the field's more representative. 30 feet into this field, whenever we fenced this, I wanted to fence closer to the center of the field because it would have been down this way another 30 feet. So I wanted to center it. And whenever I did that, the grasses that were planted in that field are more tasty than the grasses in this field. So the cows, every time they come in here, and this has been fenced since 2011, whenever the cows come in here, they overgraze the 30 feet on this side of that fence. They don't care for the grasses as well in this field. This here's what we're working with. Freeze-dried fescue. That's all fescue there. A little bit of canary grass. Here's canary grass. This here's a canary grass plant. But for the most part, it's pretty well fescue. This is the field that those hunters If you've seen that video, this is the field the hunters decided that they would drive across. The road's clear out there. They come through a gate, drove their four-wheeler across this field, and they didn't even stay next to the woods. I don't understand it. We're in F6 here today, and then we'll be moving the cows tomorrow morning back to here. Advice for today, the words of advice for today: don't eat yellow snow. See, they're pulling stuff up. You girls know what you're doing, huh? No sissy cows here. Had 2 lambs born last night. We have our sheep on a accelerated lambing program because we're trying to build the flock as quickly as possible. Try and cash in on these high prices that sheep are bringing. Destock a little bit in the cow section and increase the sheep flock, and that's simply just because sheep are more profitable than cattle are. They always have been, even when the sheep prices were low. So we want to try and build a sheep flock up to 100, 120 ewes, somewhere in that neighborhood. And what we're trying to do is we're trying to do accelerated lambing. I know it's not ideal having lambs in the wintertime. We do have the sheep inside right now, and we have them on hay. You know, that's an input. But I just don't want to go out and buy any sheep. We have one heck of a flock of sheep right now. Compared to the flock that we had 6 years ago, these guys don't require any inputs whatsoever. So if you guys are looking for a ram lamb, we're going to be keeping all our ewe lambs for this year anyhow, maybe next year too, I don't know. But if you're looking for any ram lambs, let us know. We'll be selling those and make great breeding stock because of the parasite resistance and low input. We're not trimming feet, we're not doing all that stuff to try and keep the sheep alive. Our sheep do well on just about nothing. So anyhow, that's the cows out here grazing. And again, guys, I do appreciate the the subscribes and all the comments. Everybody's been so positive and encouraging. It is really appreciated. You know, keep it up, guys. If you're not subscribed to the channel, please subscribe. If you are subscribed, thank you very much. I do appreciate it. And share the videos. If you've got a Facebook account, share this video on that Facebook account. You know, maybe we can get some more subscribers and keep the channel growing like it should be. We'll talk to you later. Have a wonderful day.